Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Golden, Director of StemCellix, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about stem cell therapy and severe degenerative osteoarthritis. So a lot of us have been told that once the cartilage in our joints is gone, that it's gone forever and there's nothing we can do to replace it. And that used to be true. Before stem cell therapy, once the cartilage in your knee and your hip and your shoulder was gone, your really only option for treatment was a joint replacement surgery. And now with stem cell therapy, we can actually regenerate the cartilage in those joints so that we don't have to have an artificial implant of a knee replacement or a hip replacement. We can actually just regenerate the cartilage in our own body using our own cells. So I'd love the opportunity to talk to you about that if you or a loved one that you know is suffering with severe degenerative osteoarthritis. You can contact us by calling 813-938-7034, or you can contact us on our website, stemcellix.org.